Okay, so you want all of those off, okay? The next thing I want you to do is to go to your window button. So if you click on your window, this is really, really, really important to be able to get here. Okay, so the window sets up the size of the graphing area that you're about to display. So you can make it any size you want, well, within reason. So if you want just the first quadrant, if you just want quadrant 1, then you would change your x min to be equal to 0. So you just hit 0, and so now it's not going to go any further on the x-axis except for 0. It's going to stop at 0. So your x max, we'll just leave it at 10. X scale is just how much you want to scale it by. So if you did this to x max being 100, you could scale it to be 10, so it will put a tick mark every 10. It all depends on what you're graphing, okay? But all of this is for you to manipulate your graph window with. Same with Y-min, Y-max, and Y-scale. I quite frankly don't know what XRes is, so I apologize for not knowing it. But I don't ever use it. So let's go ahead and just change our, oops, I always think I can click on this thing. Change your Y-min to be 0, and we'll just get our first quadrant. So once you've done that, you've changed your window. So think about the fact that you're changing your window. It's the window button that gets you here. Now if we go back to graph, you'll notice that you just have your X quadrant, or your quadrant number 1.